my dear friends and all my respected teachers. Today I am Srisha Utkal Khatge from 7th D. Today I am giving a story based on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, his full name was Abul Bakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram, Madras, present-day Tamil Nadu. He was a brilliant scientist and the 11th President of India. From 2002 to 2007, Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He has also gained the Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna, the Honorable Prize of the India for his work. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology, and in 1958 he joined the Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO). He soon moved to the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), where he was project director of the SLV-3, India's first indigenously designed and produced satellite launch vehicle. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. From 1992 to 1997, Kalam was a scientific advisor to the Defence Minister, and he later served as Principal Scientific Advisor. And then he became the 11th President of India. While delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27 July 2015, aged 83. Thank you.
APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was the Missile Man of India. The principle of APJ Abdul Kalam to achieve goals are dream, courage, inspire and harmony. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Advika Ramesh Nagre from class 7th G. Today I am going to tell you a short story on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist who later became the 11th President of India. Dr. Kalam was popularly known as the Missile Man of India. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. His contribution with Indian Space Research Center (ISRO) are unforgettable. He was the first president to occupy Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Kalam was also known as People's President. Dr. Kalam prestigious awards including Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1997, Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1990. Unfortunately, we lost this great personality on 27 July 2015. The date of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great loss for India, but his contributions for India will always be remembered. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Today, myself, Atharva Gurudas Gowde from class 7D is going to say a short story on APJ Abdul Kalam. One day when APJ Abdul Kalam was in 5th standard at Rameshwaram Elementary School, he was sitting with his Brahmin friend named Ramanathan Swami. When they two were sitting, that time a new teacher came to their school. The teacher was unknown. The teacher don't know that they two are best friends. The teacher came and teacher was surprised to see APJ Abdul Kalam and that Brahmin friend sitting together. So she said APJ Abdul Kalam to sit on the last bench. APJ Abdul Kalam was very sad. When these two boys gone to their home and they said about their parents about this incident, the parents came to the teacher and said that please don't give this poisonous caste system to our children because they are very innocent and they don't know this, and that is very bad caste system. So I think so we must only use the humanity. The only religion is the humanity. Humanity can only take the man up. The humanity is only the key of the life. Thank you.
I am Vidya Subodh Kurade from 7th. Today I am going to share a story about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Once there was a student of class 6. His name was Naman Naren. He drew a sketch of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam after reading his book Wings of Fire. He showed it around in his family. His family got super excited and asked him to mail it to the president. A little hesitant at first, but still he did so. But he was little expecting what happened next. A couple of days after, he received a letter from the president himself. He opened the prize envelope with utmost care and took out a small note. It said, "Dear Naman Naren, thank you for your nice drawing. With best wishes from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Till this day, I keep this card safely with me," said Naman Naren. Sharing a thought at last. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great, said Dr. Kalam. Thank you. A little hesitant at first, but still he did so. But he was little expecting what happened next. A couple of days after, he received a letter from the president himself. He opened the prize envelope with utmost care and took out a small note. It said, "Dear Naman Naren, thank you for your nice drawing. With best wishes from